Maori Haka experience in New Zealand, dance of strength and unity. Imagine standing amidst a circle of Maori warriors in New Zealand, their voices resonating with power and pride as they perform the haka. This ancient Maori war dance, often performed to welcome guests or honor special occasions, goes beyond movement. It's a profound expression of identity, strength, and unity. As you watch the warriors, their fierce expressions and synchronized movements, you can feel the energy in the air, each beat and chant carrying centuries of history and meaning. Joining a haka ceremony, you're not just an observer, you're invited to learn its purpose and participate in this intense ritual. Guided by Maori leaders, you'll learn each gesture and chant, every motion infused with significance. You raise your arms, stomp your feet, and shout alongside others, connecting deeply with those around you. Every movement is intentional, symbolizing courage, pride, and the unity of the group. In this moment, you're not just learning a dance, you're sharing a sacred cultural experience. The haka holds a special place in Maori culture, passed down through generations as a way to inspire, honor, and unite. Historically, it prepared warriors for battle, but today it's a powerful display of heritage and community. The chants and expressions are not just for show, they're a direct link to Maori ancestry and values. By participating in the haka, you gain insight into Maori history, feeling a part of the legacy they fiercely protect. You're immersed in a culture that values respect, kinship, and resilience, all embodied in the haka. After the haka, you're left with a sense of strength and connection, not only with the Maori people, but also within yourself. It's a transformative experience, leaving you inspired and humbled by the passion and pride of Maori culture. The haka isn't just a performance, it's an invitation to understand and honor a powerful heritage. As you leave, you carry with you a deeper respect for the Maori people and an unforgettable memory of a dance that transcends language, touching the very heart of what it means to be united and strong.